just finished up the Team Snacks Early Bird Ride, and I'm here with ride leader Kat Steele. Kat, tell us about the ride.
The Team Snacks Early Bird Ride goes on Thursdays at 7:30 a.m. from Cycleast in Austin, Texas. We have done a couple different routes, but right now we're doing a 16-mile loop that is generally flat, almost all either no cars or protected bike lane.
Nice.
And we ride through Mueller, which is a newer housing development. It has beautiful roads.
Yes.
Which is mostly why I go through there. It's a casual, no drop ride. Team Snacks leads towards women, trans, femme, non-binary with allies. So anyone can ride.
Nice.
But the rides are going to be led by someone who's not a cis dude.
Yay!
The pace is usually like 13 miles an hour, which is, easy for us so early in the morning.
How did you get involved with Team Snacks?
I saw them initially on Instagram. They weren't doing too many rides during the pandemic. So the first ride I did with them was last December. They did a cookie ride.
Cookie ride.
So I joined for that and then met everybody. And then pretty rapidly I was like, hey, I want to lead a ride.
Nice.
So the Snacks itself has been around for a long time.
Yeah.
Leans a lot towards mountain biking and rides that aren't not racing.
Yeah.
Fun rides. And if you have, if you're a local rider and you have an idea, you just throw it out there and chances are we can post something up about it. So,
nice.
Yeah.
So, Kat, tell me, what got you into cycling?
I've been a cyclist for my entire adult life.
Okay.
Started riding in 1992.
Woo!
Yes. And it's what keeps me young.
Yes.
No matter what, when you're on a bike, you can't help but have fun.
It's true.
I started out as a mountain biker, got into road biking pretty quickly, and then found out about gravel riding 3 years ago, 2 years ago. And now I like it all. So
Yeah.
I have 4 bikes.
Awesome. Tell me about this bike.
This is my Vast A1. It's a magnesium aluminum gravel bike.
Nice.
I'm running 40s for my tires. They're mismatched because I had a flat on one that I couldn't get fixed. But
not mismatched intentionally?
not mismatched intentionally, no. I do want to say if you're doing gravel rides and you're not on tubeless tires,
Yeah.
it's a ticking time bomb because it gets so many people with tubes get flats because you need to run a little lower pressure,
Yeah.
and the chunky gravel just will come up and bite you.
True.
So that's the majority of the mechanicals that we have on group rides is flats.
Yeah. Flats from people with tubes.
Yes. Which is okay. They're fixable.
It happens. Not all bikes are ready for it.
When it's 100 degrees.
And you have to
and there's
stand
no
out
shade.
unprotected.
Right. It's kind of a drag.
Yeah. What do you love about riding in Austin?
I love above everything else, I love the community.
Yeah.
I love all the friends that I've made. I've lived here for 3 years and I have more friends. I see every ride I go on, I see someone I know.
It's true. You are super famous in the cycling world here.
I like to think that if I meet you, you're gonna be my friend.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Yeah.
It's not an option. Also, Austin's just beautiful. It's a pretty city.
Yeah.
You can do everything if you want to do hilly hilly rides out in the country, there's out west. If you want to do gravel, it's southeast. If you want to do flat roads, it's east. There's mountain biking. I have a city bike, so I ride to the library, get my books. So it's just great. I just love it here. I'm getting used, after 3 years, I'm pretty much used to the heat.
Yeah.
But, you know, when we had 2 months of over 100 degrees every day, it did get a little old.
Yeah,
but,
that gets old fast.
you know,
I really like this ride because it starts so early, and I am an early morning rider.
yes.
That's what I prefer to do 9 times out of 10. Because I got a life, and like I've got kids, and so many of the rides that happen around town are in the evenings, and I'm being a parent.
Yeah.
So we gotta.
I don't even have that excuse, but I like to ride early, so it works out.
Well, we're early birds.
Although
that's what we do.
when we were doing these rides in January, it was hard.
Yeah, it was cold.
It was cold. And the people that showed up for those rides, I was very impressed.
Yeah. All right, Kat, thank you so much for
Abby.
leading this great ride and for coming around and chatting with me on the vlog. Yeah, so tell us one more time, snacks ride, when, where, what?
Team Snacks, early bird ride with Kat and Chelsea. It's 7:30 at Cycleast in Austin, Texas on Cesar Chavez Avenue.
Yeah. Thanks,
Every
y'all.
week. See ya.
Well, I have to say, I love the snacks ride because it's always super fun and chill, and it's great getting to meet new folks who ride in a similar style to me, and it's like the perfect distance from my house to get a pretty decent ride in on the way there and on the way back. So all around 10 out of 10, y'all. I hope to see you out here. If you're in Austin, come say hi, come ride the snacks ride some Thursday morning. You won't regret it. Thanks, y'all. I work harder when I record
Yeah.
than I do any other time I'm riding.
I know.
I'm like, oh,
Yes. Gotta look cool. For
that's
footage.
right. Gotta make it look cool and fast.
Yes.